Tell me honestly, how many times have you felt tired explaining yourself? मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ? मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ? मुझे ये चीज़ पसंद है तो क्यों है? And still people don't get it. They judge you, they doubt you, they laugh at you. Here is the harsh reality truth that every minute you spend explaining, you lose 1 minute you could spend growing. So, if you want success, peace, respect, there is only one formula. Stop explaining, start growing. We explain because we crave approval. Approval from our parents, validation from friends, likes, comments from strangers online. But listen me carefully that explanations don't create respect. Results do. Imagine this, you are constantly defending yourself, arguing, clarifying, but in reality, the world only sees two things: either you have results or you don't. So, why waste your energy on words when silence plus actions can do the magic? Think of nature. A seed doesn't scream from the soil. Look, I am growing. It grows quietly, slowly, and one day it becomes a tree that gives shade to thousands of people. Your life is the same. जब तक हम हर किसी को जस्टिफाई करते रहेंगे ना, तो हम सीड स्टेज पे ही स्टक रहेंगे. But the moment you protect your silence and focus on growth, one day the same people who doubted you or who laugh at you will clap for you. Remember this line that results speak louder than explanations. Have you ever cried alone after explaining yourself? You tell your parents about your dreams, but they don't get it. You tell your friends about your struggles, but they laugh at you. You post on social media, people judge, comment, and then you think शायद मैं ही गलत हूँ. But no, you are not wrong. You are just explaining to the wrong audience. The truth is, no one is really listening. They only pay attention when they see success. जब वो आप लोगों को देखते हैं कि वो कामयाब हो गए, तभी वो आप लोगों को रियलाइज करेंगे और तभी आप लोगों को अप्रूवल देंगे. So instead of wasting your soul on explanation, save your energy for growth. All right, now the real question is that how do I stop explaining? Here are 5 powerful steps you can apply today. So, first of all, shift from words to action. Next time someone asks, तुम कर क्या रहे हो? अब तुमने क्या करना है? या फिर ये कि तुम्हारे क्या फ्यूचर प्लान्स हैं? डोंट डिफेंड या फिर बताओ नहीं कि मैंने ये करना है, ये करना है. जस्ट स्माइल एंड कीप वर्किंग. Secondly, stop announcing every plan. Big plans grow better in silence. Stop telling everyone before you start. Thirdly, protect your energy. Every explanation drains you. That same energy can build your skills, improve your health, and execute your ideas. Fourth, you have to surround yourself with doers, not doubters. Explaining to negative people is like pouring water in a broken glass. Choose people who inspire you, not those who drain you और आपकी टांग खींचने में लगे हों जस्ट. The last and very important, let results be your reply. When you finally achieve something, no words needed. Your success will be the loudest reply to everyone who doubted you, everyone who laughed at you. People will always question you. They will always doubt you. बट रिमेंबर एक्सप्लेनेशंस फेड, रिजल्ट्स रिमेन। हमेशा याद रहते हैं। जब कोई कामयाब हो के दिखाता है ना, तो फिर लोग मिसालें देने पे आ जाते हैं। सो डोंट वेस्ट योर लाइफ ट्राइंग टू प्रूव योर वर्थ टू अदर्स। जस्ट ग्रो इन साइलेंस, लेट योर सक्सेस शॉक them. And one day the same people who doubted you will say, he will we always knew you would make it. This is the power of silent growth. From today, promise yourself one thing: no more endless explanations, no more arguments, no more wasting energy on people who don't believe in you. Say it with me: I choose growth over explanation. Also, type this in the comments to remind yourself as well. And if this message touched your heart, like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more eye opening content. Because remember, the loudest noise is silent success. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.